Hello everyone, let's start the class. Today we will learn the use of particle ni as purpose particle. So how do we use particle ni as a purpose? It will always come after a verb. So first we need to know the verbs where we can use a ni particle as a purpose. Verb for to learn is naraimas. It means to learn. Verb to do is shimas. Verb for to receive is mukaemas. To receive some person. So the verb for to send something is okurimas. To send or to see off is also called okurimas. Then verb to watch is mimas. And there are many verbs. So we have done few verbs. Now we'll use ni particle as a purpose with these verbs. To use any verb with purpose particle ni, first we need to cut mas and then we'll add ni. It will become purpose. For the learning, naraimas to learn, and as in purpose to learn, it will be for learning or to learn narai ni as a purpose. So if I say I went to Delhi for learning Japanese language, I went to Delhi. I went to Delhi to learn Japanese language. So I'll say that watashi wa nihongo o narai ni. Here it will become purpose of learning. So watashi wa nihongo narai ni deri e ikimashita. Deri e ikimashita. So this is the word for Delhi. This is to go. So now it is the past form. Ikimashita. Ta form, past form. If I say I went to play tennis to university, okay, my friend or Mr. Suzuki went to university to play tennis with a friend. So how we will say that? The topic is Suzuki. We are talking about Mr. Suzuki. So it will become Suzuki-san wa. Suzuki-san wa with whom? Tomodachi. Tomodachi. To for purpose to play tennis. Tennis o shi ni. Shimas plus ni. So what we have done? We have erased shi and added ni. So shi ni daigaku university. Daigaku e ikimashita. Okay. we can say Mr. Yamada went to watch a movie. Mr. Yamada went to movie hall or movie theater to watch a movie. So Yamada-san wa movie hall is called Eigakan. This is a movie hall. Yamada-san wa, we can also write it with a purpose first. Purpose is to watch a movie. So we can say Yamada-san wa eiga, that is the object. Eiga o mi ni. This mi is coming from mimas. So we'll cut mimas and add ni. And we can also write the kanji for mimas, which is this. We learned it. Eiga o mi ni. Where did he go? To movie hall. Eiga kan e ikimashita. Okay, so Mr. Yamada went to movie hall to watch a movie will be Yamada-san wa eiga o mi ni eiga kan e ikimashita. Eiga kan is a movie hall. Next, if we use another verb, it could be mukaimasu or okurimasu. It could be any verb, but let's use the examples. Few. If we use mukaimasu, it means to receive. If I say I went to receive my friend at the airport, okay, I went to receive my friend at the airport. It will be, topic will be I, so watashi wa. Purpose is tomodachi. Now the friend has become the object, so it will be o particle. Watashi wa tomodachi o mukae. Will cut mas and add ni. Mukae ni. Where did I go? Kuko e ikimashita. Okay, watashi wa tomodachi o mukae ni kuko e ikimashita. Next is okurimasu. So we'll just cut mas and add ni. It will become purpose to send or to see off. Okay, so I went to railway station to see off my family. Okay, so railway station is called eki. Family in Japanese is kazoku. So it will become watashi wa kazoku o. Kazoku will become object. O okuri ni. Railway station is eki, station. Watashi wa kazoku wo okuru ni eki e ikimashita. We can also say I'll come here, I'll go there, but we need to introduce some purpose in between, and this is how we'll use particle ni as a purpose particle. It's very simple. Use any verb with mas form. Suppose it is tabemas, which is to eat. Just cut mas and add ni. So it will be tabe ni, to eat, as in purpose. Okay. So I went to restaurant to eat Japanese cuisines. Okay, let's write. On Sunday, I went to restaurant to eat Japanese food with my family. Okay, so on Sunday, Sunday is nichi yobi. So we can use the kanji now. Nichi yobi ni watashi wa kazoku, with will be particle to. Nichiyobi ni watashi wa kazoku to restaurant. Restaurant is restoran. Nichiyobi ni watashi wa kazoku to restaurant de. First we'll add the purpose. Kazoku to. Japanese food is called Nihon Ryori. So it will be Nihon Ryori, Japanese food. So nichiyobi ni watashi wa kazoku to Nihon Ryori o tabe ni restaurant e ikimashita. Okay, so time particle ni, it is for to particle with, this is subject, this is object, Japanese food. So object particle o, tabe ni, it is purpose, and this is for direction. So this is how the Japanese particles are used. Okay, now we will do some mode patterns for the verbs. So first we need to understand that there are three different groups in which Japanese verbs have been divided. So first group, second group and third group. So Japanese verbs have been divided into three groups. Third group has only two verbs, and those verbs are shimas and kimas. Shimas, to do, we have already done that, and kimas is to come. Second groups have many verbs and the first groups have many verbs. So first we see verbs of second group, and those are like mukaemasu, tabemasu, mimasu, okimasu. And the first group again has 5 different categories. First is like kakimasu. Second, hanashimasu. Then kaimasu, tachimasu, hashirimasu, and then yomimasu, shinimasu, and asobimasu. These are only the few representative examples of the verbs. There are many verbs besides this, but only the third group has two verbs. So it is fixed, two verbs. Other than first group and second groups have many verbs, and the first group is further divided into 5. Kakimasu, hanashimasu, ending with ki will come in one category if there is ki before mas. If there is shi before mas, will fall under another category. If there is e, chi and ri before mas, it will fall under one category. And if there is mi, ni and bi before mas, it will fall under another category. There is one exception for ki group, and that is ikimasu. Ikimasu is special. We'll learn about it. Okay. So first learn how to make te form of the verb. Te form of the verb has many uses. It will be used in making various sentence pattern. First and foremost use of te form is changing any verb into a continuous form. So when we say te form of the verb plus imasu, te form of the verb plus imasu, it means present continuous. When we say te form plus imashita, it has two, past continuous and past perfect. So we'll learn about these now. Let's make te form of the verb from category 3. So it's very easy to make. We just cut mas and add te. So it will be shite. Kimasu will cut mas and add te. It will be kite. So now here mukaimasu, tabimasu, mimasu and okimasu, which falls under the group 2, also has the same rule. We'll cut mas and add te. So it will be tabete. If it is mimasu, we'll cut mas and add te. It will be mite. Okimasu, similarly we'll add te. It will become okimasu. So let's make the sentence. So what is the meaning of kakimasu? Kakimasu is to write. Hanashimasu is to talk. Kaimasu, buy. Tachimasu, stand. Hashirimasu, run. Yomimasu, to read. Shinimasu, die. Asobimasu, to play, to have fun. Similarly, we know mukaimasu is to receive, tabimasu to eat, mimasu to watch and okimasu to wake up. mimas, to watch, eat and receive. So let's make the sentence using te form of the verb plus imas. Te form plus imas. So if I say Miss Rana is playing tennis, or any Japanese person, suppose Mr. Honda is playing tennis. Okay, so Honda name can be written in hiragana or in kanji. So it can come like hon and ta. It can be read as Honda. If the person is using kanji, we can write Honda like this, or we can just write in hiragana Honda. Honda-san wa tennis. It is a present continuous sentence. It will be tennis o shite. Shimas will change into te form. Shite imas. So how it has changed? Simas, we just cut mas and add te. So shite imas. Honda-san wa tennis o shite imas. If we say that student come to class every day, student come to school every day, okay, or that child come to. So students come to class every day. It will be mainichi. Gakusei, student will be gakusei, and we can write like this kanji. Mainichi gakusei wa class. Instead of class, we can say school. If we say students come to school every day, mainichi gakusei wa gakko, which is school, e kite imasu. We can also just change the sequence. We can start with gakusei wa mainichi. Mainichi which means every day. Gakko e kite imasu. Okay, so both has the same meaning. The students come to school every day. Let's make another sentence, and here we need to understand that in Japanese it is always the name of the game plus shimasu. Okay, it means to play that game. So if I play football, I will say soccer. So soccer is the katakana term for football. If I say my younger brother plays football every day, plays football. Okay, my younger brother will be ototo. Ototo wa football is soccer Ototo wa soccer. Or instead of plays, my younger brother is playing football. Since we'll use this sentence in present continuous. My younger brother is playing football. Ototo wa soccer o shite imasu. Okay, so soccer has come from soccer, which is also for football. Now in this sentence, students come to school every day. You can't find present continuous, right? It is not a present continuous sentence, but it is actually a state that is happening. Okay, so if you say I am wearing this dress tonight in the party, so that person is not going to wear in front of you. You know, if your friend says that this is the dress I have bought and I'm going to wear it tonight, so that's not going to happen in front of you. That is the state, the decision has been made, the circumstances is such that the person has announced that this is going to happen, and in that case the status will be shown by using present continuous form of the pattern. So here it is the same case. The state is that students are coming to the class every day. So we can say, tonight I will wear western dress in the party. Tonight I am wearing western dress in the party. Tonight I am wearing western dress in the party. So when this sentence is happening, it means that this is the status. Tonight is konban. Okay, konban watashi wa. Western dress is called yofuku. Konban watashi wa yofuku o kimasu. Or the location is party. So party ni. Okay. Konban watashi wa party ni yofuku o kite imasu. So konban watashi wa party ni yofuku o kite imasu. Or we can use te form plus imasu for other purpose. We can use te form of the verb plus imasu for another purpose, which is usually happening in a continuous way, like these days. When we say that, these days is konogoro. If we say these days it is getting cold. Okay. So how do we say that? These days will be konogoro. Konogoro. Cold is samui. When we are using samui as an adverb, it will be samuku. Konogoro samuku natte imasu. Okay, so the word is natte imasu is coming from a first group. Okay, which is narimasu. Narimasu is to become. These days it has become cold. Konogoro samuku natte imasu. So now it is a continuous process. Every day it is getting colder and colder. For that sense, in that sense also we will use the te form of imasu, We'll do more uses in the next class using first group and the second group of the verb. Thank you.